Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about basic subtraction. So the common symbol for subtraction is going to be a minus sign, okay? It's going to be a minus sign and it looks like that. It's also called a subtraction sign, okay? So let's get into some examples. So let's say if we have 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to remove 4 of these marbles. If I'm removing this marble, this marble, this marble, and this marble. How many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 marbles left. So 7 minus 4 equals 3, right? Let's look at another example. Let's say I had 9 minus 2. That means I have 9 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm removing 2 of the marbles that's here. I'm going to remove this marble and this marble. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. All right. Let's try another example. Let's say I have 6 minus 2. That means I have 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm removing 2 of the marbles. So 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. I have 4 marbles left. All right, let's look at another example. Let's say I have 6 minus 1. All right, that means I have 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am removing 1. So I'm going to remove this marble. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 1 equals 5. What about 5 minus 3? What is 5 minus 3? So this means that I have 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm removing 3 marbles. That's already here. Removing them. 1, 2, 3. I'm subtracting. So I have 2 marbles left. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, what if I have 2 minus 2? What does this equals? That means I have 2 marbles and I'm going to remove both of these marbles. How many marbles do I have left? None. So 0. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, 3 minus 0 equals 3. All right, understand the difference between 2 minus 2 equals 0. However, 3 minus 0 equals 3. So this means 2 minus 0 is going to equal 2. What about 1 minus 1? It's also going to be 0. Okay, so these two are very similar, and then these two are similar. So let's say I gave you some pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to remove some marbles from this picture here. Okay, so let's say I remove these marbles here. I don't want to see the number. I had 10 marbles. I removed a amount of marbles. So I had 10 marbles. I removed a number. How many do I have left? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 marbles left. How many marbles did I remove? I removed this marble, this marble, this marble, this marble, this marble, this one, and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. All right, I had 10 marbles. I removed 7, and I'm only left with 3 marbles left. All right, let's try another example. I'm going to draw some more pictures. All right, so how many marbles do I have left? Let's see if we can put the subtraction problem together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a total of 9 marbles. So I'm going to write 9 here. How many marbles did I take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. I removed 4 marbles. And how many marbles do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, so let's say I had 4 marbles. Okay, and I have to remove 0. Okay, if I have 4 marbles and I have to remove 0, how many marbles do I have left? Your answer is going to be 4. Okay, that means you have 4 marbles. You're subtracting 0. That's going to equal 4. You're not removing anything. So it's going to stay the same and equal 4. Let's say I'm going to remove some marbles. I'm removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's remove 6. Okay, so how many marbles do I have in total? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 marbles. I removed 6 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? I have 3. Right? These are the marbles I have left. Okay. Now you may also see the problem like this. So you may also see it like this. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus, right? This is the minus sign, another set of pictures. You may see it written like this as well. So what is the subtraction problem for this? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 6. Right? This is also 3. So you may see the pictures written this way or this way. Okay, so what if I have 78 minus 5? All right, first I'm going to do 8 minus 5. First thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 8 minus 5, and that's going to be 3. And then 7 minus 0, an imaginary 0 here, and that's going to be 7. Okay, 78 minus 5 is going to be 73. Let's say I have 63 minus 1. So first, we're going to do 3 minus 1, and that's going to be 2. And then 6 minus 0, that's going to be 6. So 63 minus 1 equals 62. Right? What about 92 minus 2? We're going to do this. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. So 92 minus 2 is 90. All right? And then we're going to try 35. Let's try 35 minus, let's do 4. Okay? Same thing here. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. So you have 35 marbles. You removed 4. You subtracted 4. You're left with 31. What if I have 43 minus 8? Okay, so first we're going to do 3 minus 8. Uh-oh. Pay attention here. You have 3 marbles and you have to remove 8. I don't have enough marble to remove 8. So now I have to borrow. So I have to borrow from the 4. This is going to become a 3. And this now is going to become a 13, right? So now you have 13 minus 8, and what is that going to give you? It'll give you 5, and then now you have 3 minus 0, that's going to be 3. So 43 minus 8 equals 35. Let's try another example. All right, so let's try 20 minus 8. Okay, so first we're going to do 0 minus 8. We're going to do 0 minus 8. Uh-oh. If I have 0 marbles and I have to remove 8, I don't have enough. So 0 minus 8, I can't do that. I need to borrow now from the 2. This is going to become a 1. This is now going to become a 10. So now you have 10 minus 8, and that's 2. And then 1 minus 0, and that's 1. All right, so 20 minus 8 equals 12. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try 23 minus 5. Okay, first we're going to do 3 minus 5. Uh-oh, another red flag. If I have 3 marbles and I need to remove 5, I don't have enough, right? I have 3 marbles and I need to remove 5. I can't do that, okay? So now I'm going to borrow. I'm going to borrow from the 2. This is going to become a 1, and this is going to become a 13. All right? So now you have 13 minus 5, and that's going to become 8. And then 1 minus 0, that's going to become 1. So 23 minus 5 equals 18. Okay? So that's all we have for today. I will see you all in my next video. All right? Bye.